Ryzen 3. Ryzen 3 is AMD's entry-level CPU built for simple, everyday tasks. It usually has 4 cores and 8 threads, which is plenty for things like browsing the web, watching videos, or using Office apps. But while it can handle light multitasking, it's not built for heavy work like AAA games or professional 3D rendering. Even if you manage to open that heavy software, you're going to deal with slowdowns and longer loading times. It can run modern games, but you'll need to lower settings, and it's not ideal for heavy workloads. But of course, that's exactly why Ryzen 3 is cheap and a great choice for a budget computer. What's also important to know is that because Ryzen 3 uses less power, it doesn't need a massive cooling system, making it perfect for small or quiet PC builds. Also, you might have noticed the letters at the end of these processors. In laptops, you'll see the U suffix, which limits power so your battery lasts all day. Perfect for students who don't want to keep recharging their laptop. On desktops, some carry the G suffix, which means they have integrated graphics inside. This is great for budget builds because the computer can run without a dedicated graphics card, and it's good for light gaming like esports titles, though it's still not powerful enough for heavy gaming. In terms of competition, Ryzen 3, like the 7000 or 8000 series, is basically the rival to the Intel i3 14th Gen, where AMD usually wins on integrated graphics while Intel is slightly snappier for basic single-core apps. Ryzen 5. Ryzen 5 is the mid-range processor and easily the most popular choice for gamers. That's because it's stronger than Ryzen 3, but still much cheaper than Ryzen 7. With typically 6 cores and 12 threads, it can actually handle demanding work like gaming, photo editing, and programming without breaking a sweat. This series is basically the sweet spot because it gives you the best balance of price and performance, making it the go-to choice for almost any mid-range gaming PC build today. In laptops, you'll see the H suffix, which is aimed at gaming laptops because it offers higher power for better speed, though it uses more energy. On the desktop side, Ryzen 5 also comes with the X suffix. These are tuned for higher speeds and better overall performance compared to the normal models, making it a perfect little upgrade if you want more power without jumping all the way to a more expensive Ryzen 7. Compared to Intel, the Ryzen 5 9000 series goes head-to-head with the Intel Core i5 14th Gen, where AMD is known for better power efficiency and consistent performance, while Intel can have an advantage in certain mixed workloads due to its hybrid core design. Ryzen 7. Ryzen 7 is the high-performance tier for people like content creators or streamers who need more than just a mid-range processor. If Ryzen 5 handles gaming, Ryzen 7 lets you play that heavy game while live streaming, keeping Discord open, and having a ton of Chrome tabs running in the background without any lag. This is all possible because it has 8 cores and 16 threads. Because it has more cores to distribute the work, your system feels much smoother when handling heavy multitasking. For laptop users, you'll see the HS and HX suffixes. HS is for thin and light laptops that still need high performance, while HX is basically unlocked for maximum speed, though it needs a massive cooling system to handle the extra heat. On desktops, the big deal is the X3D models. These use 3D cache technology to stack extra memory on the chip, giving you a massive boost in gaming performance without actually consuming more wattage. When you compare it to Intel, the Ryzen 7 9000 series is the direct competitor to the Intel Core i7 14th Gen, and both are strong for tasks like video editing, while AMD's X3D models are widely considered among the best for gaming performance. Ryzen 9. Ryzen 9 is AMD's top-tier flagship, designed for enthusiasts who require extreme performance. With 12 or 16 cores, it's a beast for heavy-duty work like 4K or 8K video editing and scientific simulations. It works just like Ryzen 7, but it's way more powerful. In fact, benchmarks show that Ryzen 9 X3D models often lead even Intel's top-tier chips when it comes to FPS in many games. But honestly, most people still stick with the lower tiers because only tech enthusiasts or professionals really need this much power in their PC. In the high-end market, the Ryzen 99950X competes with the Intel Core i9 14th Gen. Ryzen Pro. Ryzen Pro is the business version of the regular chips. You can find Pro versions of everything from Ryzen 3 to Ryzen 9. Performance-wise, they are very similar to the regular chips, but they add memory guard and remote management. Memory guard encrypts your data so that if someone steals your laptop, your files stay scrambled and unreadable. Plus, it allows an IT team to manage or lock the computer from a distance. It's perfect for big companies, but for a normal home user, it's not really necessary. Ryzen Pro is the direct rival to Intel's vPro platform found in their 13th and 14th Gen chips, providing similar enterprise-grade security and manageability features. Ryzen AI. Recently, AMD released a special version called Ryzen AI, which you'll find in premium laptops. What makes this special is a built-in NPU, or Neural Processing Unit. This is a dedicated chip just for artificial intelligence. Instead of making the main CPU do all the work, the NPU takes over AI tasks like blurring your background in video calls or using smart tools in Photoshop. This keeps your laptop cooler and saves battery life. It's a cool feature, and it's becoming useful for everyday users as more AI features are built into Windows and modern apps. This is AMD's answer to the Intel Core Ultra series, like the Core Ultra 7.